Welcome to Travel with Chu and Mark.
Oh, we've just arrived at All You Can Eat Barbecue. It's 209 baht each. So basically that's less than a fiver really. It's less than £5 for all you can eat. But obviously you cook it yourself. You fetch all the stuff from just back there. There's a selection of pork. There is beef available, beef's extra. I haven't looked how much the beef costs, but it is extra. Oh, then what's that you had, Chu?
Rice noodle with coconut milk curry.
Ah, and what was you just saying?
Khanom Teen.
What was you just telling me? And I says, tell everybody else.
I haven't eaten it for 2 years.
She's not eaten that for 2 years.
I forgot when every time come to Thailand, forgot to eat it.
So you never made that at home?
No, we don't have it at home.
You've never, well, I wouldn't eat it, but have you ever made it? You never made it at home?
Never.
Oh, right, okay.
I know how to make, but I didn't make.
Right. Huh?
I make at home, but I use spaghetti.
Do you?
Okay. But no coconut milk.
Oh yeah, also it includes the drinks, but it is Est products, which is not the best. But this one's nice. My dad used to work for Carter's Pop. I don't know if anyone can remember Carter's Pop in sort of the Nottingham area. They used to make cherryade. Their cherryade was their best flavour. Well, this is exactly the same as their cherryade. Unfortunately, Carter's Pop's no longer. I think it's Hero now. So, we've got the pork on. The charcoal's only just gone under, so it's not actually cooking yet. So we'll just break these up to cook a bit quicker. I've changed my t-shirt, well, my polo shirt. The polo shirt that I was wearing was a brand new one, so I didn't want to get any fat or smoke on it. I have to wear that again tomorrow. Thank you very much. Just have one glass as I'm driving. In Thailand it's quite normal to add ice in your beer, and you actually should try it, because I quite actually prefer the beer that way myself. Like short sauce or not, I'll put a bit more garlic in it.
That's okay, I like garlic.
That's still spicy. Well, we're now actually getting somewhere. All the bloody hell, I can't talk. All the sauces are very spicy. I'm struggling to eat this one. And these two here, one's seafood, and what's the other one?
Seafood.
Just another variation. They're both really seafood. Well, you can put any things in it, you know. But these two here, I'll show you. These two are very spicy. You can taste the pounded chili.
But even I'm Thai, I feel spicy.
So the red one I can coat with that. Just. Don't forget to, your mum watches you now on YouTube and TikTok.
Okay, bye bye, Mum.
If you're under 4 feet tall, which some Thai people are, but I wouldn't have thought they'd allow the adults to be. But under 4 feet tall is only 99 baht, so £2, £2.20. Well, not even that, £2.10.
Somewhere they got something, if you can hack it, you can eat free if you hack the hand. You remember that?
Yeah, that thing.
If you had it 100%, you pay.
Yeah, if they have like bars that you can walk between, and if you can walk between the bars, so that means you're slim, you don't have to pay. But if you can't walk between the slim one and you have to walk the next one, you have to pay.
And in the middle you pay.
There's no way they allow that in the UK.
Discount 5% discount. Not in UK.
No, you're calling a fat bastard, aren't you?
Happy birthday for
I think so. Got to be over 100 years old, hasn't it? I think we're on a cruise ship now. So the Evans is open, just about to chuck it down with rain. So they've just bailed us out quickly and moved us inside. So we are a little bit closer to the food. We wanted to be outside so it was away from the music really. It's not too loud. So the food actually tastes okay. I mean obviously it's just pork on a grill. The sauces is, you know, because you dip everything in the sauce, it sort of makes the difference. And this is just a clear soup that's cooking away. No. Yeah, right, that's it, just one. Thank you. That's it, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, he was just topping my drink up, so I didn't want another beer for me driving. And yes, alright. And I'll take you to see what's on the buffet in a second. A ladyboy's just come in and Chu says he's gorgeous. I'll have to try and have a look at him in a minute. So there's your sauces that you get, and you've got your pots there. Got a bit of vegetables here. Some bean sprouts, some noodle mushrooms. A bit of fat put on the top, and that's the blood. Pork noodles, a couple of kids. You can eat them. Fish balls, some various bits. The pork, the bacon looks a bit crap, and then some marinated meats there. And then we've got bits of fish here. And another Thai kid if you want to eat that one. And I've no idea what that is. That'll be some fried something, no idea. Sausage, tomatoes, and some fruits. And you've got your fried rice and papier salad and some other concoctions there. Cucumber, some salad. There's your rice noodle, and that's your rice noodle sauce. And then you've got I thought she said chicken feet. Yeah, this is chicken feet. Chicken feet, eh? I bet you'd love that. Chicken feet salad. So you're eating it cold. God. Oh, that's tempura mushroom, and looks like a bit of tempura on some greens and the fried rice. I mainly just stick with the meat, so, and some cabbage, which is what I'd normally eat anyway. We're cooking, obviously everyone else, some of them what they got on the meals, some of them eat a mountain. Oh. So there's some rules, obviously there's a bit more to it, but the main one is not to take any food home with you, and if you leave any food, any excessive amounts of food, they reserve the right of charging you 40 baht. But it's only a quid, but we haven't left anything, we've let loads. And I can't remember if I've shown you the drinks, but I'll show you the drinks again. We've got Est ice machine, so we've got Coke orange, lime, and then this one's like a Sprite, and then this one's the cherry one, although it says it's strawberry, but to me it tastes just like Carter's cherry ale. And then there's your beer prices. So Chang is 79, Leo 79, Sing plus Heineken 85, and then God knows what that is. and if you are under 12 centimeters, 1.2 meters, you pay 99 baht, and if you come on your own, you pay 299 baht, which is fair enough really, because you're going to take a table up, and then you've got the charcoal and the metal thing, you know, on the top, so that's quite fair enough that you have to pay a little bit extra for that. And the logo, look, is the pig on the scooter, and Champ Nakhon Sawan. And they've got a car park across the road there. Our car's literally that one there. And yep, every day 7:15, pitch black. Anyway, let me know if you'd come here. I mean, there is some weird foods, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of stuff on there that I won't eat, but I tend to just stick with the normal foods. I don't eat the strange stuff. But don't forget, this is Thai people, and they eat plenty, trust me. Chu's just gone up and fetched another great big plate of food. Yeah. Oh. It's a fiver, isn't it? Cheap. I didn't tell you about the beef. The beef is not all you can eat. The beef is done on a plate, like set, and it's Australian beef or Wagyu beef, and it's roughly another, you get a plate for £2, £2.50, and then it goes up to about £4, and then they do like a mixed set, which goes a little bit more, about, that goes about £8, but obviously you share that between quite a few of you. So yeah. Anyway, if you like this, give us a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, hit the dislike button twice. You must hit it twice, because once it doesn't recommend, so twice you hit it and it will notice then. And say hello in the comments, and most of all, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you are watching on a TV, if you don't mind pressing the up arrow key a couple of times, and you should be able to select subscribe, or you can scan these 2 QR codes, one's for TikTok and one's for YouTube. Totally free for you to do, but it'll help me out massively. Thanks for watching.